Divide things, not families. Here are some tips on how to photograph personal property in a home. Start with a pad of paper, a pen, and tape measure to photograph room by room and to take relevant notes. Have good lighting coming from behind you if possible. First, take photos of the room from different angles. Then carefully take single photos of each item or pairs of things, the way one would want to keep together. This can be done quickly with today's phone cameras. Click, 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 and done. Notes added to the paper and an extra photo may be needed for things like rug size, artist information, quality, or damage. The last photo you take of the room is the sheet of paper with your notes. Proceed to the next room, etc. until done. Then simply create your free FairSplit.com account, recreate the rooms of your house, highlight the room photos, and upload. You can store as a photo inventory or quickly name each photo and categorize for being able to list, share, and create reports. Printing the reports is sometimes the best feature of this because there's so many different ways you can customize the reports. You can use the default reports we've made, or your family may want to see all the artwork done by value in the living room.